Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different sarees and dress materials. Okay, so today I have brought up some regular casual wear dress materials. Okay, printed pure cotton dress materials. Okay, the pant, the dupatta, and also the top. Everything is printed. The quality will be very good. Okay, so it's a regular wear, casual wear collections. Okay, all of them are priced at 680 rupees. Shipping is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India for all my products. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. Okay, per order 100 rupees is extra, not per product. Okay, for CODs. So I will go with the dress materials now. Just a minute. Okay, so the first one is like a brown color. Okay, sandal and brown combined together. The colors will be very different and unique. The combos will be very unique. Okay, it's just a simple printed dress materials, but you have the combos in very different colors. Okay, so this is the pant. Black is the pant for this particular dress material. The fabric is pure cotton. Okay. The quality will be very good. So this is the top. You have the borders coming to in the down part. Just a minute. Okay. The top meter is 2.5 and the bottom is also 2.5. Okay. So this is the bottom. And the dupatta is malmal cotton 2.25 meters. Okay. So this is the first one. Okay. The top is 2.5 meters and the bottom is 2.5 meters. The dupatta is 2.25 meters. Okay. So the dupatta is malmal cotton. The top and the bottom is pure cotton. So this is how the first dress material will be looking. Price is 680. The quality will be very good. It's a pure cotton dress material. Okay. Price at 680 rupees. 680 rupees. So this is the next one. Okay, it's a purplish pink tone. The top is a purplish pink tone with small floral design printed, and the bottom is a green color, grass green color with the printing designs, floral printing designs. Okay, so this is the bottom, and the dupatta. The design will be very good. Okay, for all the collection, for all the dress materials today which I am going to show, and the quality will also be very awesome. So this is the next design. It's a purplish pink with green combination. Different combinations coming. Okay, price is 680. So this is the next one. You have the purplish pink tone here. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. Okay. So the next one is a black. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description and also the direct link of my WhatsApp. So you can ping me directly using that link without saving my number. So it's a black color. Hope you can able to see the printings here. Okay, so it's a black colorful black top. And the bottom in a brownish beige shade. So this is the bottom. And the dupatta, the same color of a pant. The top meter is 2.5, bottom 2.5, dupatta 2.25. Okay, so this is the next one. This is how the dress material will be looking. It's a black with brownish beige shade. Okay, this is how the dress material will be looking. All of them are materials. Okay. $680 is the price. So the next one is a sea green shade. So sea green. So this is how the pant will be looking. And the dupatta. Okay. So this is the next one. Okay. It's a sea green shade. Okay. This color tone will always have some issue in video. Okay. So I will be posting the pictures also in my page after the live. So you can verify the pictures as well for reference. For all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505, or you can share me the picture as well. I have listed all my collections in my WhatsApp catalog as well, so you can check in the WhatsApp catalog for all my available collections. Okay, we will be regularly updating our catalog also. So the mostly all the products that is listed in the catalog is available. Okay, just except for some 1 or 2 cases I might be skipping. Okay. So the next one is a parrot green shade. And the bottom is blue color, royal blue shade. The combos is very good, the quality is very good. Okay. So this is the next one, a parrot green with royal blue combination. Okay, it won't be that brighter and all. Even it's a parrot green, the color is normal only. Okay, it won't show up very brightly and all. Okay, so this is the next one. So the next one is orange. Orange with half-white color. So this is the pant. And the dupatta. Very simple but elegant designs. Okay. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, it's orange with half white color. Okay, sandalish color top, bottom. Okay, this is how the dress material will be looking. All of them are very simple dresses, but very different colors and shades, and also the designs gives you a very elegant look. So the next one is a greyish black tone. The top and the bottom is pure cotton. The dupatta is also pure cotton. It's a malmal cotton. Okay, the dupatta is a malmal quality. So it's a greyish black with baby pink shade combination. Price is 680. All the dress materials which I am showing today is 680. Shipping extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. Okay, it's greyish black tone with baby pink combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So please share the screenshot or the pictures for more details. Okay. So the next one is a mustard yellow with green combo, bottle green combo. So this is the pant, okay, and the dupatta. The top meter is 2.5, bottom is also 2.5, and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. Okay, so this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a mustard yellow with bottle green combo. So this is the look of the dress material. Okay, all of them are printed designs. The top, bottom, dupatta, everything is printed. So the next one is again green color, light green shade with sky blue combo. So this is how the top will be looking, and this is the bottom. So light blue, green and sky blue combo, and the dupatta. Okay. So this is the look of the dress material. Okay, it's a grass color green combo with sky blue tone. So this is the look. The top, bottom, dupatta, everything is printed. So the next one is a maroon with mustard. So this is the top and bottom, mustard bottom with the dupatta. Okay. So this is the look of the dress material. It's a maroon with mustard. The fabric quality will be awesome. Okay. So the quality will be very good. This is the look of the dress material. So the next one is a royal blue shade with steel blue combo. So this is the pant. And the dupatta. Okay. So the royal blue with steel blue combo here. The top is pure cotton, bottom pure cotton, dupatta is malmal cotton, top and bottom is 2.5 meters each, and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. And this is the last for today, pink with grey combination. A very lovely color combo. So this is the top. Okay. Yeah, all the tops has some printed designs. Okay, nothing comes plain. Everything has small printed designs. So even for this top you have the printed design. Hope you can able to see the design here. Okay, small designs you will be having. Okay, the top is, the idea is the top has very simple design and the bottom and the dupatta has a very rich printing work. So the dress material will give you very elegant look here. The quality will be very great. Just on. So this is the next one, a pink with grey shade. So this is the last for today. So that again I am saying the top and the bottom is 2.5 meter pure cotton and the dupatta is 2.25 meter malmal cotton. Okay, the full set is pure cotton set. Price is 680 rupees. Shipping extra. Shipping charges 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the total product and the shipping charges. Okay, so per order for COD just 100 rupees you have to add up extra to the total cost. Okay, so these are the collections I have for today. Please like my page for all the orders. Okay, so for all the real updates, please like my page. For orders and enquiries, WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So in video, there might be some color variation due to the resolution and the tube lights effects. Okay, no special effects been added. So please cross verify with the pictures which I will be posting in the page after the live is done. So also we will be sharing many real pictures also if the colors are very crucial, or if you need any special real images, any closer look or something, you are always welcome. So we are always welcome for all the enquiries. So thank you, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.